Hello, YouTube. My name is Todd, and this is my Doyad. It is currently 24 degrees out. That's in foolish degrees, and that makes it negative 4.444 degrees civilized. I think I'm going to clean up this little mess I got right there. All them attachment screws and shit. I'm going to pick all this stuff up, bring it inside. And the plan for today is let's get this seat dismounted. I'm not exactly sure how it mounts, but we'll figure it out. I understand there's 4 bolts that come through from underneath. Oh yeah. That might be a little bit of a nightmare. We're going to lift the car up again. And we'll get this seat out because Tuesday of this coming week, I'll have my master cylinder, brake booster, and my upper steering. You guys can't even see how much that's moving, but maybe if I look right there, yeah. It don't show like it's moving at all. But that upper bushing is failed. I'm going to get them armrests inside, get them all cleaned up. After this week of sub-zero temperatures, I'm not really a big fan of, let's screw around out here in the cold so much. I don't know, call me a wussy or whatever, but yeah. Bonnie suggested that Dow Chemicals scrubbing bubbles bathroom cleaner to do the upholstery with, and it's worked a charm. I gotta say, it's way better than I thought it was going to be. Here on the back seat, we got the original build sheet. Matches the VIN and all. These have been coming out pretty good. It's the vinyl is white, but it's almost a pearlescent. It's very nice. I had originally thought that maybe this got redone at some time not too distant past. After looking at the insides of it, the burlap and the horsehair, I don't know. I think it might be original. It's possible. I mean, if somebody were to rebuild this today, I don't think they'd use this material. I think it would be something different. This loose weave burlap is kind of hard to come by now. All right. After much wrestling and going up to Hobo Freight to spend money I don't really have to replace a socket that I destroyed getting this thing out and burning up some propane propane. I got the seat out. Woohoo! So this is not as much as I was planning on getting done here today. And I was kind of hoping to start disassembly on that column and booster master cylinder assembly. The directional, I find out after some research that there's a relay that controls the front directionals and the ones up on the fenders. And apparently it is unobtainium, but it is apparently rebuildable. So I kind of had thoughts of getting that dug out of there. I guess that's probably not going to happen today. I'm rapidly running out of daylight outside. This took considerably longer than I'd planned. So I guess I'm going to spend the rest of the evening cleaning up that seat. I don't know how much I'm going to take apart on it. I think I'm just going to leave it the way it is. I don't know. What do you guys think? Think I should take time to get all this bright work off and polish it separately? I don't know what I'm going to do about this. Where the paint's flaking, I'm never going to be able to match that. I'm hoping just a good cleaning could tune up. Maybe I'll take these panels off. That shouldn't be too hard. You see the carpet was rotten. Come right up with it. What do we have here? Oh, there's another build sheet. Unfilled out, it looks like. But, yeah, somebody's been in here before. None of this is original. Somebody rebuilt this thinking that they were building a show car and just kind of gave up about 2/3 of the way through, I think. I'm missing a piece of chrome here on this side, I think. Oh, well. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to do any disassembly on that. I'm just going to give it a good cleaning. Yeah. She's a little funky junky down there on the underside of that. Oh, yeah, I'll clean all that up. That should clean up pretty good. Makes a cool chair. Maybe I should just build a frame for it and use it in the living room and call it good. I don't know. No, that'd be kind of a waste of a good car. Yeah, so I think I'm wire wheeling these out really good. That one's still a little heavy. I know that's going to be heavy. But that one didn't come out too bad. Come on, focus on it. That one's not too bad. That one's not too good. That one's even worse. Ooh, that's still quite hot. All right. So I guess that's probably going to be it outside of some very boring cleaning. I appreciate you sticking with me through this and taking the time to watch a damn fool do something stupid. But, you know, it's what it is. All right, so please subscribe. Click the little bell icon so you get notified of any new videos as they come out. Give us a thumbs up. That greatly helps the thumbs up. Greatly helps the algorithm spread the viewing audience. I'd appreciate that. And yeah, I'll probably be back tomorrow. The weather's supposed to be a little bit warmer tomorrow. Maybe I'll get a little bit earlier start on it. I'll dig around and try and get that relay out, I guess, and see if we can't get that tuned up and working right. Now that I got the seat out, I should be able to lay down on the floor and get up underneath that dash a lot easier. I don't know. Do you think maybe I'll be able to find another one of these nuts to replace this one? Because you can, ooh, that's still really hot. You can see it used to have that little flange on it, like that one did, but now it's gone. Maybe it's underneath the car. I'll look around for it. Maybe it's still stuck to the underside of the car. But, like I say, thank you so much for sticking with me, and we'll catch you next time. Have a good one. Bye. This has been Empty Pockets production.